how to find Roblox user ID on mobile. So if you want to find your Roblox user ID, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Roblox application. So unfortunately, on the Roblox application, there is no possible way to find a user ID, but there's a trick to get the user ID on Roblox. Simply go back to your home screen and then open up a web browser. After that, you need to search for Roblox. Once done, you need to go with www.roblox.com. Open the first website and then tap on Continue in Browser, which will be on the bottom. Now wait for some time and then go with your profile, which will be on the top. Now once you tap on your profile, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with your search again. Make sure that you open it on your browser because it won't work on any other applications. So on your browser, make sure that you're on your profile. Once you're on your profile, you need to just simply tap on the search right here and then go with the pencil shaped icon on the right side. Now here, as you can see, you need to remove everything, and then here you will have your user ID. This is your Roblox user ID. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.